Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome, and this is our 1955 Sunbeam Mark III drop head coupe. Hope you like it. Okay, here we have a 1955 Sunbeam Mark III drop head coupe, finished in gunmetal with red leather. I think the red leather is original. We'll just take a slow walk round it. Interesting car, actually. Sort of American 50s styling, but part of Sunbeam. The saloon versions of these are actually used as rally cars quite a lot, including by Sterling Moss. And it's got more of a turn of speed than you might think to look at it, in fairness. It does actually look quite smart. And I do like the Art Deco styling of various little details on it, which we'll show you in a minute. So there we have it. Obviously we've got the roof down at the moment. We will do some photos with the roof up, but just for videoing purposes we've got the roof down. Now this is an older restoration. I think it was done around about 2008, 2009, according to what we found out about it. Had a colour change because originally it was cream. I must admit the gunmetal does suit it. The chrome is very good on it. Looking around the front end, we've got a little touched in area just there above the headlamp. A little bit of bubbling just there and a small blemish just there as well. Otherwise, so the chrome is very good. Near side front wing, we've got a little blemish just there, and on the bonnet we've got a bit of a scratch just here, but you know, find another one. Looking down the near side, it all looks very straight and tidy down there. There's one other small mark on the near side front wing just there. Near side front wheel all looks good. Sills and everything look as they should. I like these portholes on there. Up on the screen it all looks nice, and I do like these mirrors as well, very Art Deco those. Near side door is all good. These handles, and so interior wise, the interior seats are original and stuff. You can see that just by that wear there, and strangely enough the bases look to be different to the backrest, but it's the same in the back, so I think that's how they are supposed to be. As you can see, there's a few sort of marks and blemishes on the leather, but it is 70 years old, so not sure anything else can be expected. The carpets look relatively new, and the Art Deco dash is rather lovely with the white steering wheel. Has got a rev counter in the centre, that however doesn't work, and it's got the dealer fit radio there, but however that again doesn't work. I mean, there'll be lots of things that don't quite function as they should by now. Door card, it's all good. Near side rear wing is all quite nice. Going around the back end, again the chrome very good indeed. Boot bed is all good. Looking down the offside, door fit is nice. Offside rear wing is all good. Offside rear wheel, that's just a little tiny chip just there in the paint on the offside rear wing. Offside door is all nice. Offside front wing, so we've got the portholes in here as well. That's all nice there, and then we'll show you inside on the driver's side. Apologies, the carpet in the driver's footwell is slightly grubby because I've just driven it out inside and just moving around, you get muddy at the moment. But yeah, beautiful Art Deco dash, white steering wheel. Obviously the steering wheel has lost some of its whiteness over the 70 years. It's all still there. door card is all nice. Driver's seat, apart from a little bit of wear just down the bottom there, looks to be reasonably good. It's a super little car, as I say. Can't really compare it with many other things because you just don't really see these about. Quite rare, I think. Anyway, if you want a 4-seater convertible, this may be the one. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com, for any more information.